So let me guess, you went there because it did send me into Virginia? Yeah, what are we asking about? It's just a Richmond. Tell me. Listen to the chicken. Well, I ate chicken. Well, this is a country. Oh yeah, we haven't seen the Sonic Dream from the example arcade, so I didn't buy it. Look, a beta. I can run all around here with a beta. Fuck this world. Ooh, beta. Peanuts. Now you might wonder here, it turned into a peanut butter. What? The peanuts are amazing. Bumpy, smoothie, crunchy, and you might need to turn it into a peanut butter.
The next morning.
You know why we only have these one way to about a start? Even if there wasn't the South Carolinas and another. What do you mean, crazy? You know why it's in the midst of the Richmond? You know where the Texas countries come from. They know it's in the not only one thing. Also, do you remember where it's in the sheep house in the no. I was living in Galveston. I was living in Italia 10 years ago. It's sometimes that we don't know what the number is. But my question is, are we having to spend time in Richmond and Virginia in about years ago? I don't know. How do you ever heard about Infinite Sex with Maria Calliope? His brother B told her Sonic, don't tell Infinite, it wasn't that real. I mean, like, the VR chat about it, anything. Gonna have some fun. See ya. This kind of days without this permission. Yeah, the times that we have these buttons about it. To believe in this is a good time. We had fun time together. Huh? No, nothing anything about it. So at least we had fun time in the Virginia about it. This is kind of cool about it. So enjoying the peace and quiet. No. You know, we remember about a handful of times. I remember we went to the restaurant about Chick-fil-A. And remember went to the IHOP and they see this in Nebraska about years ago? Okay. It's ever called about this. It's called about this in the United States about Pennsylvania. It's living as a tree. Do you know why? So we had living a tree years ago. Mario, it didn't make any sense. Why do you comment this in the movie director? Nothing. It's just in the band money always. So, I'll get back to later, possible. Look at Mario. Doesn't this mean that we have no idea? Don't worry. Yeah, I guess I'm not gonna get anything to do with this, so I'm just working on the direct, so I'll get back later anytime. What's going on with Carlos making a movie direct? And it's just in the short TikToks and stuff. I get worried about him because he's trying to make some director. He's becoming a director. have a fun time. You know, Roy, you and Mars are friends and each other's. Like when you have the melees and the battle together and stuff. Well, whatever it was. Well, it's just us in the battle you don't remember. I mean, I can't remember how the SpongeBob Popsicle. You never remember about that. Besides, it's only had a fun time with this in the world. In the fall, and December is going to be a holiday spectacular. So, did we think about the holiday spectaculars in this world? And about the characters? Yeah. I had no idea. What has happened since they're going to be the best character in the Corn Hearts in history? I don't know. This is their own direction. The directing. Hey, that smells like chicken. Oh. Well, no wondering about it. I'm just gonna have a text with Lillian. Well, Lillian's a good friend. Also,